The Sarawak government is exploring new collaboration opportunities with the renowned Boeing Japan in the aviation sector, as well as the research and development of sustainable aviation fuel SAF. Sarawak Premier Datuk Patigi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Datuk Abang Openg said this initiative aligns with Sarawak's efforts to establish its own airline. According to him, Sarawak is actively working on the development of SAF as an alternative fuel for the aviation industry through joint research with Chitose Group and its collaboration with Ineos Corporation in hydrogen production.
Dia ada kerjasama dengan Boeing di Singapura dan juga network Boeing yang ada di Southeast Asia. Jadi hari ini kita hanya melihat apakah peluang yang ada untuk kita bekerjasama di antara Boeing dengan Sarawak dalam kita hendak mempunyai syarikat penerbangan kita sendiri.
He said this when met by UKAS and TVS following discussions with the President of Boeing Japan, Eric G. John, at Boeing Japan headquarters in Tokyo on Tuesday. However, the Sarawak Premier added that the potential collaborations in development and research are still in the early stages.
But this one is still a drawing board. We will explore what we can do together, particularly in terms of renewable energy dan juga SAF, Sustainable Aviation Fuel.